message lang po before I gave the final blessing. This is just actually while along the way, kanina po nang sinundakan ni Miss Penny from San Agustin, nagkwentuhan po kaming dalawa. Unknown to many, in 2016, before filing of COC ni President Duterte, he stopped with us. No media, no cameras. He went to the Adoration Chapel of San Agustin at the back and he prayed silently and he stayed with us bago siya dumiretso sa Comelec. And in fact, ang isa sa pinaka-encounter ko sa kanya, kasi po kami naghahanda ng mga pagkain for feeding sa mga homeless daily. Sa habang kami nagluluto at naghahanda ng mga pack meals for the lunch, he joined us at nakikain pa siya sa amin ng lumpia. So that was moments before he filed this COC, he stayed with us in San Agustin.